Hi! In front of me is OPPO A18 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Connection and Sharing. Following that, select Print and click on Default Print Service. Now tap on the gray sweater next to Default Print Service if it's not already on and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. In order to use the print service, disable this one by tapping on this time blue sweater. Go back. Tap on Add Print Service and download the best one for you, like HP one. When your new service is ready, go back to the same settings. Now just click on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!